want to magnify a text from a screenshot just like this, then Screen Master is the perfect app you want to have installed on your device. Let's say you take a screenshot and you want to focus on one part of the screenshot or a text. You can magnify it by tapping on this icon, draw over the text or part, and you can now bring more attention to that part of the image. There's also an option to insert an arrow in any color of your choice, or you can just create a spotlight on that part of the screenshot, then you darken the rest, so it looks like this. Plus, you also get an option to blur out parts that contain some useful text or text you don't want anyone to see, and you can also spice this up by adding text effects and emojis too. This is an app you should definitely check out. WhatsApp users, with no Bluetick, you can easily read WhatsApp messages from your friends or that one annoying friend or just anyone without them knowing you read their message. Now this is how the app looks like, and the user interface looks very simple and also easy to navigate. With permissions enabled for the app, you can start reading your WhatsApp messages directly from the app. Very easy. Now with just a tap on this button, it's going to redirect you to the WhatsApp app so you can easily reply to those messages. The app supports most popular social media messaging apps including Instagram, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, Viber, and more when you scroll down. There's also an option to view WhatsApp media inside the app as well, so you don't need to go into the WhatsApp app itself to do that. Give this a try and let me know what you think about this app in the comment section. So if you ever hang your clothes outside to dry but you're not really sure how long you should leave them out there for, then Laundry Timer is what you need. Now with this app, you can get accurate estimation since it checks your current location, weather forecast, and different fabrics that are used in most clothes. It also takes into account your location's temperature, humidity, solar energy, wind speed, and cloud cover, along with allowing you to set separate timers for each different materials. This is a very simple app, and I myself find this app to be very helpful. I know most of you are going to love it. Tellurium is the next app you want to have installed on your device. With this app, you can easily send messages to any WhatsApp number without saving their contacts first. I know WhatsApp can now do this, but this app makes it more easy. Inside the app, you select the specific country code, or you can just use the search here. You type in the country's name, then you select. Enter the number, then you want to tap on Start Chat. And you can now send messages to that number without saving the number first. The app has another cool feature, which is temporary contact. You can save numbers as temporary contacts to keep your main contacts peaceful. Also, when you swipe up, you can view number history or contacts you have sent messages to in the past. Next, if you want to track your data usage for both Wi-Fi and mobile data, then Data Monitor is the best app for you. I know your device already has this, but this app does it better. This app makes it simple for you to track your Wi-Fi and mobile data usage and also analyze the data in a way it's easy for you to understand. It also pops up warning when you reach your data traffic, which can be really useful in helping you to prevent overuse of data on your device and also save some money for yourself. Another interesting thing about this app is it has a live widget you can put on your home screen for easy access, so you don't have to visit the app always to check your data usage. So if you made it here so far, thank you very much for watching and thank you for your support. I'll be very happy you share this video with your Android friends so they also check out these cool apps as well. Now back to the video. The next app you should check out is Incure App Manager. This is a great app that does more than just keeping track of your apps and helps you uninstall them in batches. With this app, you can see how many trackers are in each app you've installed on your device, learn about your most frequently used app so you can cut back, and also check each app's permissions and activities. In my opinion, the app's user interface is very beautiful and simple. The best part is it is free, so you should definitely give this a try. If you want more tools or you want to have access to more features, then you have to upgrade to the premium version. Thank you for making it to the end. Like, share this video with your friends, and also comment your favorite app. You can leave me your recommendations as well. I'll make sure to check them out. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.